Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a Flutter dev, then you know that asynchronous programming is a must-have skill. And today, I'm going to cover a really useful trick in Dart to help you decrease your overall execution time. So, let's go. This video has two parts. A simple explanation of Future.wait and its use cases, followed by a real-world scenario example. So, what is Future.wait and what are its use cases? Imagine you want to go camping with 3 of your friends and each of them is assigned to bring something. One of them must bring food, one of them must bring water, and the third one must bring equipment like a tent. So up until now, ordering your friends to bring the specified stuff is our asynchronous methods. Now, we can't just tell them to bring their stuff and leave them and go camping alone. So we await these methods and wait for all of them to bring their stuff before we hit the road. Now, here's the funny part, and you'll see how stupid the basic way of doing this in Dart is. Awaiting them is like keep them all standing. Tell the first friend to bring water, wait and listen to cricket sounds till he's back with the water. And then you're like, alright, now you go bring food. What the fuck? Now you all wait for him to come back with the food and then you tell your third friend to bring the tent. What the fuck, you could have told us all this together, you wasted our day. Now the Future.wait is like telling them all what they need to bring and wait for all of them to come back and start the journey. Simple as that. Let's say you have a list of important asynchronous methods that must finish before you navigate to another page or start other tasks. So you mark them with the await keyword, meaning that they must all execute completely. So here I am simulating API requests and each of them takes 2 seconds to complete. If you run them the usual way, the process would take 6 seconds, obviously. Now, if you put these awaited asynchronous methods in Future.wait, it bundles them together, runs them concurrently, and returns a future that completes once all of the provided futures in the list are resolved. And as you can see, it took 2 seconds to finish them all. And if you haven't noticed, we got them all in the correct order as well. How cool is that? Alright, now let's look at an example that mimics a real-world project scenario. In this e-commerce app scenario, when the user runs the app and the splash screen is shown, we need to run these different asynchronous functions, reading the saved session key of the user from the local storage, fetching the user's profile data, fetching the product recommendations, and receiving the promotional banners. Now let's define another asynchronous function called start process. This function will run and handle all of the previously defined functions. The first function is retrieve user session key, and this is a clear example of when not to include an awaited function in Future.wait with others. Other functions, such as fetch user profile, depend on the session key, and we cannot run them simultaneously. The retrieval of the session key should happen before other functions run and should not be included in Future.wait, as it's a mandatory requirement for other tasks. Next, we need to run fetch user profile and also fetch product recommendations. Although their values are critical and must be returned before navigating to homepage, they don't depend on each other, so we can run them concurrently using Future.wait. Finally, we have fetch promotional banners, which is not critical and can be fetched in the background while we move onto the homepage without waiting for its result. Alright, our example is nearly finished, but before running anything, let's add a few print statements to make the results easier to understand. Now let's run the program and see how long it takes. Now this is the version without using Future.wait. So let's run this one and compare the results. It took 9 seconds to finish, and as you can see, the outcome is exactly the same. But by using Future.wait, we were able to reduce the process time by 2 seconds. And that's Future.wait in a nutshell. It's an incredibly useful function when you want to manage multiple asynchronous tasks without slowing down your app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.